Hi everyone, in this video, we show you how to use Yupoo to buy stuff on Pandabuy. Firstly, open pandabuy.com in your web browser. Also, in a new tab, open yupooalbum.ru. Now scroll down to the Yupoo page and search for the product that you want to buy. You can also go to the search bar given on top and search here. Once you have found the product, click on it to see its complete details. Next, copy the URL address of this page. After that, go to the Pandabuy page and paste the URL here. Next, click on the search button. Now go ahead and add complete details of your selected product. You can see these details from the original page and type in here. Once you're done, click on the Buy Now button to purchase your product. That is how you can use Yupoo to buy stuff on Pandabuy. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.